Today, Kazakhstan is a unitary state with the presidential form of governance. On the 4th of December 2005, Nursultan Nazarbayev, the first president of Kazakhstan, was re-elected as head of the state. The law on sovereignty of the Republic of Kazakhstan was passed on the 16th of December 1991. The Constitution of the Republic of Kazakhstan determines the Parliament as the supreme legislative body of the Republic. The national symbols reflect colors of the blue sky and gold sun. The central element of the national coat of arms is Shanirak, the opening in the roof of the yurta. There are an ornamental design, gold sun, and a soaring eagle on the national flag, the symbols of freedom and independence of the country. In the year 2005, there were elections held for the president of Kazakhstan. Nursultan Nazarbayev had the landslide win, having gained 15% of the electoral votes. To take part in the inauguration ceremony, there arrived over 1,000 delegations, including near and far abroad representatives. Among them were the governing representatives from 70 countries, international organizations, including UNO, EU, OSCE, CIS, and EAEC. Having sworn the oath to the people of Kazakhstan on the Constitution of State Book, Nursultan Nazarbayev, in his solemn speech, dwelt upon the main achievements of the country during the recent years. The independent Kazakhstan has made a decision for demilitarization and nuclear disarmament, and has become the factor of regional security for the world community. The country closed the Semipalatinsk nuclear test site and discarded its nuclear missiles potential, previously ranked 4th in the world. At present, there are 74,000 men on mandatory service in the Kazakhstani army. The reforms towards professional military forces are being held. About 60% of the population of the Republic live in the cities of 14 administrative regions. They are 85 in number. The biggest cities of Kazakhstan are Almaty, Astana, Karaganda, and Shymkent. The new capital of independent Kazakhstan, named Astana, is to become a 21st century city. The government of the Republic has organized an international competition for the best general project in building up the new capital. According to the general plan, a new system has been envisaged for the city that allows continuing development. There will be ecologically favorable and socially comfortable surroundings in the capital. The features of the future are clearly visible in the present look of the new capital. The triumph of Astana is an architecturally unique housing estate, a block of flats and dwelling complex, dominating the skyline, making the silhouette of the city unforgettable. The Astana Bayterik Monument is an architectural creation one can name historical.